Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete cards in Trello. Now say for example you have made a mistake here in Trello and added a wrong card. Here is how you can delete this. You can go ahead and right click this one and you're not really going to see the delete button. Instead what we have is just an archive. Now you can go ahead and click that over there, and essentially what it does is it's going to bring you to the archive items located on the upper right, and then you can click this one right here and you have two options. Now the reason why it's put in archive is because it is acting as a safety net in case you just made the mistake. So here you should be able to see that one, and you have two options: to restore it or to delete it. If we're going to delete it, just go ahead and click the delete button and make sure that this is something that you want to delete, because you can't really undo this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click that one, and as you can see it's no longer there. And that, everybody, is how you're going to delete cards in Trello.